All right. So last time we were doing what are the components of search engine and what is the okay. So we had seen
Talking
the
about this
slides
website. So
yesterday
let's increase
about
the
search.
rank of
In
this
the last
website. So
session,
we
we had
will
seen the slides. So now today we have to practically implement it. So let's begin. I'll just share my screen. I hope you are able to see my screen. Okay. Okay, so now I'm opening a website. I will just reset that website. Okay, so now I'm logging to the control panel, that is the admin panel of WordPress. So you also will be getting the same URLs, login details. You will be soon getting your login credentials. I think I've already given, right, for the WordPress. Yeah, done WordPress. Yes, WordPress logins are created. So yes, your WordPress lecture we are done. So now today what we are going to do is we will first start fresh. Uh, okay, so I've done the factory reset of the WordPress. So I mean it is in the original condition. Once we install fresh, this is the look that we get. So we will just open the website. How does it look? So we can see this is how it looks. So yeah, now today what we are going to do is we have to add some content. So we have already learned how to add posts and pages and all those things in WordPress. So today what we are going to see is we are going to first of all we will add some theme over here. So I think I already have a theme, so I just need to activate it. Okay, yeah. So this is the theme. Okay, that is activated. Right. So now I have to okay also import the demo content. So yeah, I'll start with color mag and this is I'll import this content. So till the time it imports and all the things are done, the first thing is that we need to know how to create content because see, if I want to create a blog website, I want to write blogs on many topics, then first of all I need to have the content for it. So for that reason, what we do is like everybody cannot be a content writer. So we are using artificial intelligence tool. So for that, we are using Chat GPT. So over here, I will create some topics. Okay, so it's opening. Yeah. Okay, so this is getting loaded. Mm, Okay, no, not a problem. So I will just add one topic. So first of all, say to create a topic, I should know what on what content I need to use in my website. So let us search for the trending topics in digital marketing. So or any other topic. So there are few websites that we can refer. The one is search engine journal.com and another one is searchengineland.com. Okay, so in this this is a website for all the topics. See, advanced SEO audit. So I can take this topic over here. So so this is the first topic, and then second I can have this topic Google News indexing disruption causes traffic decrease for content publisher. Okay, so this is a long title. Hmm, or else I can take this how to collaborate with local influencers to drive B2B content marketing success. Okay, so this is the another one, another topic that we can generate, and then so I'll take this as the third topic, and let's see. Okay, fine. First we'll do this. We'll take up this. Okay, so now I need to go to ChatGPT and then I need to provide the topic name on which I want to create a blog. So then I press enter and then it will start creating the content for us. Okay, sometimes it takes time because even it needs to think what are the things that we need to write. Okay, still it has not started. Let me just refresh the page and I'll paste it again. And yeah, let's see. Okay, so still it is taking time. Let us pick up some another topic, or maybe the website is having some issues because over here it is saying that it is loading over here on the left hand side. So let me try to mm, disable the plugin. Okay, so it says that we are experiencing exceptionally high demand. Please hang a bit as we are working on scaling our system. Okay, so let's see again, or else we'll take this topic over here, how to collaborate with local influencers. Okay, so yes. Okay, so I think there is some huge traffic on this website, so because of which we are not able to generate some content through this website. Maybe we need to look for some alternative. So I can just search for ChatGPT alternatives. So then we would find some options over here. ChatGPT 4.0 now available. Okay, let's try this. Mm, then over here also we can see some alternatives. Okay, so this is it. So now let's open. So continue. Okay, so you need to provide some email address and all those things, some registration thing. Okay, okay. So this is a paid one, so we cannot use this one. Unnecessary. They took our email address. Okay. Network error. Okay, we'll open chat summit. Introducing unlimited plans. Okay, so I think even this is free over here. So just started with 10,000 free words. Okay, so I'll sign in with my Gmail account. Okay, so here I try to log in with Gmail, but it's not logging. Let's see if it logs in again. Okay, finally it has opened. Integrate Google search, text to speech conversion, and follow up memory. Okay, detailed location is India, and image suitable diffusion. Okay, so that's fine. So I'll click on save preferences. So now I can create. Let me add this. Let's see. So I mean, even one content is also not. They are not able to use this as complex questions, create digital artwork, generate professional content. So this is what we are looking for. Okay, so I don't think something is working today, but still we need to find some alternative. So there could be another thing. This is Bard AI. This is from Google. Mm, okay. OpenAI is okay. So this is already we are logged in, but it's not working. Something went wrong. Let's see some another topic. Okay, demo import is done. So I just refresh the website. So now we can see the content is added. So we will check the content later on. First of all, we will remove the all the content. So right now we can see this content is added. So now I will remove all the posts and pages. Okay, so I'll select all and move to trash. And select all, move to trash. Okay, so posts are removed. I need to remove the categories also because we'll be creating our own category. Okay, so this is done. So this is uncategorized. This is the default category. So this we cannot change. So we will edit this. So I will write something as digital marketing over here and update. So this is it. And then I will remove the pages also. So these are all the pages, but I'll keep say contact us and privacy policy. I'll keep rest of them. I will delete it because they are not required at the moment. So this is it. So now we have removed everything. Now we need to add content. Let's see which website is able to generate the content for us. This is not generating. This is also not generating. Okay, so maybe we can try something else. Let's see what else we can use. See, or else what we can do is there are other options also. When this all AI tools were not available, we were using the old method. So that is like I can use this as I can search for content generator. Content generator AI content generator for free. So let's see. So we have two websites open, Paraphraser, then plagiarism checker, co-worker, summarize citation generator. So we will sign in. Okay, so this is done. So get started for free, and let's see if we can get through. So over here, paste text, import file, suggest outline. So paste text, no content found. Okay, so I think I need to type on the advanced SEO audit techniques. Okay, so I'll press enter and let's see what we are getting. My God, this is something, something is not wrong today. None of the websites are working. I mean, this is for the first time I'm seeing this. It's not working. Mm, let's try this one. Okay, let's see. Okay, so I think it is generating over here. Yeah. Okay, so this is it. So over here we can see this is the content, but it is very small. 89 words only. We require minimum 300. So even this is not going to work. Maybe we need to try something else. Uh, or else, what we will do is we will copy some content temporarily, and then we will add that content over here. What happened to Siddesh? I think he is disconnected. Okay, fine. It has started to generate. Okay, if he does not come, please make sure to give him a call. Okay, fine. So fine. So now finally things are working. So yes, over here, this has started to generate the content. It is quite slow today, but depending on the traffic on the website, it might be slow, but finally at least it started to generate. Now, once this content is generated, what we will do is we will check for the duplicacy. So, I mean, if this content is copied from anywhere or not, we will check that. So, we will get to know that yes, we have the original content and not copied from anywhere else. So, okay. So I think it has generated. So this much content is generated. So now we will take this content over here and let's see. So now, first of all, I need to check whether this content is original or not. After that only, I will say use this content on my website. So for that, we have certain tools. That is, I will search for check plagiarism. So I mean, it will check whether this content is available on any other website or not. I don't know why it is coming over here. Let me try something else. Okay, finally it's opening. So I think that's the problem of Google. So plagiarism checker. So this is one of the websites. So like this, there are various websites available. So let me see which website we can use. Okay, I mean, ideally we can use any of the website, but yes, this is the website that I was searching. So now what I will do is I will copy all the text from here and I will paste it over there and I will ask to verify. So now I will paste the content over here. So this is done and now I will click on check plagiarism. I'm not a robot. Okay, so now it will check for this word by word, sentence by sentence, and then it will tell us that whether any of the content or say how much content is taken or matching with some another content. So let's see. Okay, so we can say that we can see over here 96% of the content is unique, it is original content, and 4% is matching with somewhere. So I mean, Google says that 80% of your content should be original. If 20% is matching, then it is okay. But say over here, it also underlines the content which is matching with some another website. So maybe I can change that. See over here, it says that. Review server response code. So I can just say server response code review. So then it will change. So then again it will be okay. So this is what I can do. So this is taken from here. So that's fine. So now let's see. So over here also organize images by compressing them without compromising quality. Okay, so this sentence also we can change. So there are only two sentences out in the whole blog which is matching with some another. So that's fine, absolutely fine. So now what I'm going to do is now I will go to post and add post. So I will take this content which I've already copied. So yes, post and all post. Okay, so I need to add a new post. So, okay, so I think the plugin that we require is not there. So that is, I want classic editor and not the modern editor. So I will just go to plugin and see if that plugin is installed or not. So yes, it is installed. I just need to activate it. So yeah, so any other thing that I require at the moment? No. Okay, yes, WP I need to activate and WordPress font light activate. Okay, so these are the plugins that I require. So now these are activated. So now I can again go back to post and add new post. So I will paste this content over here. So I will say paste as plain text. So now the content is posted. So this is 397. The minimum requirement from Google is 300 words. So we are about 300 words. So this is done. Now I need to take the title that we are using. So that is advanced SEO techniques. So I'll copy this and I'll add it over here. Advanced SEO audit techniques. So this is done. So now we have to do all the things as mentioned in the PPT which we had seen in the last session, wherein we have to add our keywords in. First of all, we need to select the keyword over here, which is the focus key phrase over here. So I can say that SEO audit because this topic is on SEO audit technique. So SEO audit is the main focus key phrase. So I will use SEO audit. So now for this, what we need to do is first of all, I will save this draft because we again need to go and add some plugin. So this is done over here. I save this. So now this is saved. So now again we go back to plugin and select add new plugin. Now say once we have to do SEO, there are certain plugins that we can install. So like Yoast SEO. So this is what we can use. So this is one of them I can use. And otherwise, there are some other plugins also. Let me see. It's I think it's rank math. Yes, rank math SEO. So I can use this also. So let's install rank math, and we'll also install Yoast SEO. So, say like when I was saying that when we are doing SEO for the first time, how will I get to know what are the problems and how where do I start with? So this plugin will analyze the whole content and it will tell you that where the problem lies in the content one, what are the things that you need to add over here and update in the content so that your content will be 100% search engine optimized. So now I will say activate. So Yoast SEO plugin will get activated over here. So this is the plugin we have successfully installed, and yes, it's done. So start the first time configuration so that we can start with. So dashboard first time configuration, everything is done. I'll say continue. So SEO optimization data, okay. After that continue, then continue. So site representation, whether it's a organization or a person, so I'll say organization, then the website name. So I'll say the website name is rebooted, then organization name, so that also is rebooted, and the organization logo, so that I can select the logo. So yes, I have a logo. So this is the logo. Now say in the PPT. So let me also open the PPT so so you will remember everything. So where is it? Okay. So this is training, and over here, mm, yeah, course. I'll open the SEO PPT, and we are going to the page on page SEO. So what are the things that we need to do in on page SEO that we will be seeing? So let me scroll to that page directly. So yes, this is the page. So now over here, title tags, description, URL, all these things. What we have to do is add our keywords over here. So now, first of all, we have to select what is the primary keyword for this. So that we have selected as SEO audit. And now in that, say we have also seen one thing, that is images. So images also we need to have our focus key phrase, right? So focus key phrase is there. So I mean this is the logo of Earth Rebooted. So over here you can see Earth Rebooted logo. And over here this is the extra thing that we can add. So over here we need to add some alternative text for this image so that Googlebot will get to know exactly what this image is all about. So I can write something like Earth Rebooted, and I can write digital marketing blogs. So whenever people will search for digital marketing blogs or digital marketing courses or Earth Rebooted or Earth or Rebooted, something like that, so this logo will come up. So I can use courses also. So when people will search for digital marketing courses, so then even this image will come up. So yes. So this is done, and say I can provide some description about this image, maybe some long description I can provide, but right now I don't have any description, so I'll just paste the alt tag over here, and then I'll say select. So now this image is we are uploaded, and say now I can say save and continue. And after that, over here, Facebook, Twitter, and all those things that I can leave it blank right now. And then personal preference, no, don't track my site data. Okay, that is okay. And then over here, I can provide my email address if required. Then click on save and continue. And then this is done. So go to your SEO dashboard. So then we can just check the SEO dashboard over here. And yes, this is it over here. So now I will again go back to our post and all post. So we have already added the post which you can see over here, advanced SEO audit. So now I will click on edit, and now we can see that post is open over here. So now I need to define my primary keyword over here. So SEO audit is the keyword. So now we have installed the plugin Yoast SEO. So you can see Yoast SEO comes up under the post over here. So now this is SEO. So now focus key phrase, that is our primary keyword. So that is the SEO audit. So this is the keyword that we are using. So I will also search that how many times this SEO audit is used in this content. So this is used only for 8 times, and our content is of how many? 397, right? Yes. So now, say we consider it as 400. So 3% of uh, 400 is 4 threes are 12. So I need to use minimum 12 times over here. So let me again check. Precisely 397 into 0.02, so it is 7.94. So I need to use minimum of 8 times, or say, yeah, maximum I need to use more. So over here we are having that very less number of times we have used. So we can use that keyword multiple times. So we will just see how we can use it over here. So SEO audit is there. SEO technical, SEO analysis. Instead of that, I can use SEO technical, SEO audit analysis. So like this, I can just add the word so that it will exactly match. Okay, so this is it over here. Fine. So this is done over here, but let me exactly see where exactly. So we have one, two, three, then four. Okay, so it includes the title also. We don't want into the title, we want over here. So that's fine at the moment. But actually this content is not created properly. You can see all these are over here. So not a problem. I can put a break over here. I can put a enter over here. So these are all headings. Okay. So over here I can use SEO audit analysis. Then I can use SEO audit user experience. Okay, so this is done. So now let us see. So now we have added this SEO audit over here. So now after adding this SEO audit keyword over here, what we need to check. So I can scroll down and then I can click on SEO analysis. So it will do the analysis of the content and it will show us what are the things that we need to do. So these are the results. So now whatever you see in red is not correct, and whatever you see in orange, that is improvement. So that requires improvement over here, and the good results, so these are all green results, so this is fine. So now whatever we see in red and orange, we have to turn them into green. So by resolving the each and every error one by one. So the first error says that outbound links, so that is no outbound links appear in this page. So what is outbound link? Outbound link is, say, like I click on some link. So say let me click on this link. So I click on this link and you can see it has opened in a new tab and it is taking to some another website. So this is the Yoast SEO website and this was our website, right? So it is clicking and opening in another window, another website. So outbound links are all external websites which are not our websites. So I need to add other links. So why do Google want us to add other people's website? Why? Do I want to promote their website? No. But Google says that if you add external links to the difficult keywords, then people will like to read your blogs and they will become your permanent readers. So what we need to do is we need to find some difficult keywords over here in the content, and then we need to provide the meaning or some more information about that particular word from some Wikipedia website or something like that, or some any other website which has some explanation about it. So over here, let me see what I can search for. So I can search for schema markup. So I search for schema markup over here. I say search in Google. So if I find a Wikipedia, then I'm going to pick up only Wikipedia. Otherwise, then I need to search for something else. So I don't see Wikipedia over here. But yes, over here I can see the original website over here, so which explains about schema. So I can copy this link, and then what I will do. So this is this mark, and now there is an option to link this. So I can click on this icon, insert or edit link. So I click on insert link, and I will paste that URL. Now, when people will click on this URL, they will go to another website. But then, if they click over here, another website will open in the same page. So people will leave our website. We don't want people to leave our website, even if they are opening some another website. So what I can do is I can click on the options over here, and I will say open in a new tab. So I select this and I click on update. So now this link will open in a new tab, and our website will stay open. So this is the outbound link which is going to some other website. Then I can even link this href also. So this keyword also I will search for. So we have official website for it. So I can just copy this link, and I will link this over here. So I will paste this, and again, let's see what happened. Yeah, over here, and I will link this. I will paste the URL, and then link options open in a new tab, and then update. So now this link is done. So then I will search for malls. So people might not know all these, but we need to tell them. So let's see, malls is also having an official website. So I'll copy this link, and I will link this. So I click on the insert link icon, and then I will paste the URL, and then link options, and then open link in a new tab. So this is done. Then also SEMrush. So this also I will search. So that also has official website semrush.com. So I copy this and copy the link, and I will link this insert link, paste the URL, and link options open in a new tab. So this we can do. So okay, so this was an ad because of which this came up. So I need to remove this. I just need to directly go to the website. So this was an ad. Okay. So yeah, this is the official website. So I will just copy this link, and I will link it over here. So insert link, paste URL, and then open in a new tab. Just a minute. So this link is also done. So we have added one, two, three, four. Four links we have added. So I mean, like this, all difficult keywords you need to search. So ideally, when you actually do SEO, a real SEO on the live website, at that time you need to not just do two, three of them, but you need to search and see which are the difficult keywords for which people might ask questions. So we can select those keywords, and we can link it to some other website where it has some more information about it. So now we have added outbound links. Let us see if that issue is resolved. So I can scroll down to SEO analysis, and you can see outbound links, good job. So this has turned to green over here. So previously it was red. So now the next thing is images. No images appear on this page. So now what I need to do is I need to add the image for this particular blog. So this is related to SEO audit, right? So I need say SEO audit images. So I'll copy this, and I will go to Google, and then I will search for SEO audit, and then click on images. Okay, so here we can see there are various images, advanced SEO techniques. Then over here, as advanced SEO techniques is there. Over here, this is there. I mean, there are many results. 13 free SEO audit tools. So like this, we can use. So I will open this in. So I cannot use any of these images. See, we were searching over here, but I cannot use any of these images because these are all copyright images. So I need licensable images. So for that, what I need to do, I need to scroll up, and then I need to click on the tools over here, and then I need to click on the usage rights, and then I will select Creative Commons license. So Creative Commons license is the reusable license. So over here you can see this is licensable. Over here you can see licensable written. So over here also you can see licensable. Over here also you can see licensable. Over here also you can see licensable. So all the images are licensable over here. So from this I can copy and download any images and use it in my website. But just in case if you do not find any good images, then in that case you can try to change the word over here. So like I will just remove the other things. SEO, I'll just keep SEO audit over here. And then press enter and then let's see. So again, I go to tools. Uh, okay, let the page open. Okay, and then usage rights, Creative Commons. And let's see if I can use any of them. So this is SEO process, SEO. Over here, there are lots of things. So so something important, okay, but I don't find some good images. If you don't like any of the images which are listed over here, then there is one website. We can go to a website which is called as pexels.com, pexels.com. So if you want, you can note down the websites that I'm using in the training. So later on when you are doing, you will have to use this. So over here, I can search for SEO audit. So then it will give us the images. So this website provides free, stock free, say images and videos, and that also all free of cost, and it is royalty free. So now I'm searching for this. So these are all not copyright images. I can use all these images if I want. So whichever image I like, I can use it. So let's see if I find something over here. So I don't see something. This is all related to some auditions, but not audit. Mm, okay, so over here it says free SEO audit photos. I mean, I am searching for SEO audit. So let's see. Uh, I don't see any of them good one. Mm, see, yes, over here I can find SEO audit in the image. So maybe I can take this image. So this is good. So I'll say open image in a new tab. Okay, so this is the image. Or else, yeah, that is the only thing that we can do. So this is one of the things. Then over here also we can see SEO audit. And then over here audit client analysis data asset. So this also we can use over here. We can also use this image is there. Now, so like this, there are various images that we can use. So maybe we can use whatever images we want, we can use. So I click on this image. So over here also that image is there. So I can just save this image. So this image is opened over here. Now I can click for download for free. Now, okay, so this is iStock. So I cannot use iStock photos because they are paid ones. So I need to select something else. So fine, I'll use this image over here and I'll say download this image, download for free. Let me see. Okay, so this is also going to iStock photo. I want it from pixels only. Mm, so over here, I'm not finding some good images, but I mean, this is the only word I did not find. So, like, if you go to, if I search for some other words, then you just see the type of images that we are getting. So, I'm searching for digital marketing, and you will see lots of images over here which are good and related to digital marketing we can use. So, over here you can see this all good one. So, yes, we can use this, but our keyword is SEO audit. So for now we will use this. I will save this image as JPG, and now I need to name this image as per SEO requirement on page SEO. So now our focus key phrase is SEO audit, and on the image also SEO audit is written, so we can use it. And it is not necessary that it should be written something on the image, but if the image is related to the keyword, then yes, you can use it. So I will use it as SEO audit. So this is it, and I will temporarily save it on the desktop, and now I can use this. So now let me see one more plugin I need to check. So I will save this over here. I will save this. It's already saved. So I will go to the plugins. Now click on install plugin. So I will just check first whether that plugin is installed, because say the image that we have downloaded, that is a JPG image, and I do not want to upload a JPG image on my website. I want next generation format images. So over here you can see WP enabled WebP. So WebP is the latest next generation format for images that we can use. So we need to convert the JPG to WebP. Now, so why do we need to do this? Because the compression of this particular format is too much. Say if we have an image which is of say 50 KB or 80 KB or 1 MB, that might come down to 5 KB, 10 KB, 15 KB, 25 KB, like that, depending on the size that we are using. So it will reduce almost 50%. So now let's use this. So now I will again go back to the blog. So yes, this is done. So now I will again go back to all post, and I will click on edit, and then I will use this. So now what I need to do is we have downloaded this image over here. Say like this is the SEO audit image that we have downloaded. Over here we have the image. So now I have a software that I'm using. So that is convert over here. One second, let me just check. Yes, WebP converter. So I will add it also. So now I'll open this, and yeah, so now this software, then I can select I want to convert from JPG PNG to WebP. So now I will drag this file over here. Let us check the size first. It is 34 KB, right? So now I will click on convert, and let's see what is the new size. So it is converted. Now let us see the size. So previously it was 34 KB. Now the size is, you can see it is 33 KB, but I mean it did not reduce much. That's fine. I mean, so what I'll do is I need to create the sizes as per requirement on the website. So I will open it and resize the image in Photoshop, and then again we will we will again convert the image to the latest format. So till that time, I will just delete this image over here. Yeah, and now this image is open. So what I want is the size of the image. One second. Okay, so this is it over here, and where is the image? Yes, over here. Okay, I don't see the image. I'll again say open, and select the file from desktop. I don't see the image. I'll close and open. Something is wrong today. So yes, I'll open it again in Photoshop and resize it. I want the size as 800 into 450. So this is the image. I'll say image size, and I will use it as 800 into 450. So I need to select the sizes, 800 by 450. So now it will change the size. So yes, it has done it. So now I will save this file. Okay. So this file is saved. So now let's see the size of this. So the size is 59.9 KB. So now we'll convert this file into the software. So I will drag this file over here. I need to open it again. Okay. So now the current size is 60 KB over here. And over here it was showing as 59 KB. So yes, round figure 60 KB. So now I click on convert over here. So now let's see what is the new size over here. I will refresh this. So the new is 52 KB. Now because this is a graphical image, so it might not reduce much, but for normal images it reduces a lot. So this is it. So now we are going to upload this image. So we had got an error about some information about the using images in the blog. So I click on edit over here and I come to this blog again and I will upload that image. So where will we upload? So there is a section called as featured image. So the image which is related to the topic should be uploaded in the featured image. But in the rest of the content, I can, if I want to add images, then there is an option to add media over here. So I can just select whichever image I want. If I don't have in the media library, I can upload the file from my PC. So this can be done. So I scroll down and I'm adding a featured image. So I click on set featured image and then upload the file. So I will upload the file from my desktop. So now it is uploading. So now we need to provide some alternative text for this. So we already have some content over here. So what I can do is performing advanced SEO audit involves conducting comprehensive analysis and various aspects of websites and search engine website search engine optimization. So I copy this and I will add it in the alt text and the same thing I will add it in the description. So this is done and then I'll say save featured image. So now you can see this image has come up over here. So now let us see if that error is gone. So that was related to images. So SEO analysis. So over here, yes, images. You can see images. Good job. So image issue is resolved. Now the next thing is internal links. No internal links appear in this page. Make sure to add some. So now, say like the way we added external links to the other websites for the keywords, difficult keywords. Over here, it is not necessary that we provide some difficult keywords, but if we already have some topic on a particular keyword which is already there in our website or on this particular blog, then I can link it. So I mean, this is the first article that we are writing. So we do not have any other article. So we will link it to the home page only. So we can get rid of that error. So I mean, once we have enough content, then we can provide some links. We can edit this link and we can provide the right kind of link. So I will use this as internal linking and I will click the link and I will paste the URL. But now since this is our own website, I don't need to select the link option and open in a new tab because people are going to stay in our website only. They are just going from one page to another. So I can directly click on apply. So this is done. One link is done. Let me try something else. So maybe I can use business profile also and I will select the link and you provide the same link. So this is only if we do not have any other topic created. Now, because this is a new website and we are just using it for the first time over here. So, of course, every time I reset it because this is a training server. So, this is done. So, let's check if the issue is resolved. So, like that, you can do it in the entire content. Throughout the content, you can provide internal links. So, let's see. So, yes, internal links also issue is done. So, you can see you have enough internal links. Good job. So, this has also turned green. Now the next error is key phrase length. No focus key phrase was set for this page. So key phrase length, no focus key phrase was set for this page. So let us see the key phrase over here. Okay, so I think it got deleted. So I will just use SEO audit again, and then we will see this. So now I will click on save draft. So now it will get saved. So yes, now you can see SEO is turned green. So now only this is left. One error is over here. So that is what happened again. Okay, yes. Now only one error is remaining. So I click on SEO audit. And over here it says that meta description link. No meta description has been specified. So what is meta description? So we learned that whatever text is there below this. So if I don't add, then it will take first 160 characters of my website. So maybe I don't want that content, whatever. I don't know what is there on 160 characters on that particular page. So I can define my own content. So in this, what I can define is I can take something from the paragraph that we have taken. So over here, I can select this. Over here, and I can use it. So I will paste this in meta description. So where do I add meta description? So below this all this focus key phrase wherever we add, you scroll down a little and over here you will find the option for meta description. So you can see this over here. So I can add it over here. So now you can see it has turned green. So previously it was nothing was there. So now we have green. So this is done. So this is perfect over here. So now let us see if the issue is resolved. So yes, even that issue is resolved. So all the problems which were there in this that is resolved. Now we need to work on the improvement. So it says that key phrase in SEO title. So it says that the exact match of the focus key phrase appears in the SEO title, but not at the beginning. So it means that we are using the exact match. So SEO audit is our exact keyword as focus key phrase, but it is not coming up in the beginning. So where in the beginning? So you can see the word advanced. So that is called as beginning. So SEO audit should be at the beginning. So in that case, what I can do is I can rename this particular topic as SEO audit advanced techniques. So this is what I can do. So now this will come at the beginning, right? So now let's see. So if that issue is resolved or not. So yes, all the issues are resolved. You can see all the results are in green. So like this, you can get many errors like this. So once you resolve those errors, say the problems will get solved. So this is what we need to do. So we have added first one. So now our SEO is green. So over here you can see SEO is smiling, and over here also you can see SEO is good. So this is done. So this has turned into green. So now our SEO is part is done. So now our content is 100% search engine friendly. So now this content has a very good chance to come up in search engine. So this is it. And after that, let's see what we can do. So now the next thing over here is readability. So SEO is for the search engines. We have done all the modifications over here for search engine so that our website will come up in search engine. So we have done SEO on it. Now comes the readability part. So readability is for the users who read our blogs. So there could be some issues related to the users also. So yes, of course, over here we have two errors. So the first one is subheading distribution. So we do not have, you are not using any subheadings. We are not using any subheadings. So although your text is rather long, so Google says that your content should contain headings. So let me just show you if, say we had opened one previously, we had opened the website search engine journal.com. So in this, if I open any of the blogs, say like over here, I'll open this blog over here, Google on fixing discovered currently not okay, not in this. So now over here, this is the blog, right? So this is the main title. So now I scroll down to the content, learn more. So I need to read that. So I go to that page, and over here you can scroll down, and you can see there are some headings over here. So in the blog you will find some headings. So let me go to some another. This I shifted to some another website, so I don't want to go over there. So I pick up this particular blog, and this is opened, and now I scroll to the content, and let's see. So I'm scrolling. So now you can see over here there is some title over here in this. Then over here this is the second heading, then this is the third heading, then over here we scroll down, we might find some more headings over here. So we need to add some headings. So see over here in our SEO also we mentioned that heading should be there and it should contain our focus key phrase. So now let's see what we can do. So whether we have headings or not. So yes, I told that we have headings over here. So we had already separated that. So now what I need to do is we have these headings. So this I need to make it as a heading. So I need to select from paragraph, and I can select H1, H2, H3. So H1 is the biggest one, H6 is the smallest one. So I'll select a medium one. So whichever is the most important, that you can give it as heading 1. Then the second priority as a heading 2, third priority as heading 3, so on and so forth. So I'll select heading 3 over here. So this is done. So heading does not mean that making a text bold and text larger. No, because see over here, if I go to the coding version, so then you can see over here there are some tags which are added over here. This is H3, so that is heading 3. So it will get to know. So it is going to read these tags. So Googlebot is going to read these tags. Googlebot is not going to read the front end over here. Bot is going to read the back end over here. So this code Googlebot is going to read. So it will get to know that okay, this is a heading and this is a bold, or this is some link and all those things. So like that, we need to provide heading in a proper way. So now I select this heading and make it as heading 3. Then I'll select this also and make it heading 3. So like this, I will select the headings that I want to make it heading 3. Okay, then going to the next one over here, heading 3. So like this, I can create the headings over here. So I think we have done all the headings. Let us see if that issue is resolved or not. So yes, that heading issue is resolved. See subheading distribution, great job. So it is done. Now the next thing is transition words. Only 15.4% of the sentences contain transition words, which is not enough. Try to use more. So say like whenever you get stuck and you do not know anything, you there is a over here there is a link after every error. So you can click on that and you can get all the information from the plugin website. So what is that particular thing? What is transition words? And all those kind of things. So see, using transition words is writing can help you enhance the readability of your content. So these are the words which are enhance the content, and this will put some say extra weight on the sentences. So let me show you some examples of transition words. So okay, so I think I have a list of transition words. Let me just check. Yes, over here. So these are all the transition words. So I'll close this. Yeah. So over here there are two parts and single words also. See like both and, if then, not only but also, neither nor, either or, not but, whether or, no sooner than. as soon as possible. So these are all transition words. So and these are the single words which are transition words. Say like accordingly, additionally, afterward, afterwards, albeit, also, although, altogether, another. So like this, there are the whole list of keywords. So you just type in Google list of transition words and you will find all the keywords. Even I downloaded from Google. So like this we can use it. So of course I will be sending you all the important things which are required. So I'm sending you the list of this list over here, transition words, and there is a list of another 700 most important powerful words so that we can use. So that I will be sending you. And this of course, so that is for general, you can use it if you are writing content, it is for them. But over here also, but that also you can use it whenever you want. That will help you in other modules also whenever we are creating some titles or descriptions or all those things. So at that time it will be helpful. So now we have to add any of these words over here, because right now it is 15.4% and we have to make it something around 25%. So let us see what we can add. So over here let us see what we can do. So I will add over here, mm, firstly evaluate, secondly access, then third one thirdly, yeah, thirdly identify, and then fourthly finally ensure. So this is what it is. Then over here in the second paragraph, evaluate overall quality, relevance, also also uniqueness of the content. Okay, so that I need to add over here, and also uniqueness. Please verify the website mobile friendliness with Google mobile friendly test. Then ensure responsive design. Mm, let us see some what we can use, what best keywords we can use. Uh, mm, okay, so let's see what we can use. Yeah, above all, verify. So now let us see the percentage level. It was 15 point something and now it is 25.6. So we still require, so previously it was in the problem, now it is into improvement. So I think it requires 30%. So we will add it. So not a problem. So yes, over here in the content. So this I can use this. Secondly, ensure, and finally optimize. So that is it. Use the tools like this to analyze the website backlink profile, identify the low quality or spammy backlinks, and also disavow them using click Google disavow tool. Then look for opportunities. Yeah, and over here, most important, yeah, and most important, look for opportunities to acquire high quality backlinks. Okay, so this is it. Now let us see the percentage. So now all the issues are resolved. So now you can see transition words well done. So everything has turned green. So like this, whatever is red, we have to turn it green. So now our website is 100% search engine friendly. So we have done everything related to SEO. So now over here we can see we have our focus key phrase in title, we have focus key phrase in description, then we have focus key phrase in URL. So how do we check the URLs? Over here in the below this, over here you can see this is the URL, but this is not search engine friendly URL, right? So what I'll do is I'll save draft and I will show you one of the settings. So our search engine friendly URL should not contain some date and month or numbers like this. It should be directly the URL slash then your post. So for that, what we need to do is we can go to settings and then click on permalinks. This is one-time setting only, lifetime setting, but one time, unless and until you are changing your server or something like that. See, right now the current thing is day and time, so that is displaying like this over here. But we don't want this. We want search engine friendly URL. So this is the search engine friendly URL. url.com slash the sample post. So this is the post name I want. So I select this and click on changes. The save changes. So this is done. Now let me go back to the post and all posts and let me see the URL. So over here I'll again go and click on edit and let's see. So now you can see the URL is changed. So it is earthrebooted.com SEO edit advanced technologies. So SEO edit is coming up in the URL, SEO edit is coming up in the title, SEO audit is coming in meta description. Where is meta description? Over here at the bottom, we have added the meta description. So yes, over here. So in our meta description also you can see SEO audit is there. Then say the next thing what it is site navigation. So site navigation say we still the website. This is the first blog. So once we add more pages and logs at that time in that we can add some site navigation. Sitemap and robot.txt we haven't created, so we will create them and add it. But then images. So images also we have renamed the images with the right name. We have added alternative text also and description of that image also. So that is also done. Then headings also we have added. So previously we did not have these headings, and in this heading also we have our focus key phrase. Then say keyword usage. So we had to use a minimum of 8. So now let us see how many do we have. So SEO audit, we have 13. So out of say 397, if I use the maximum, how many we have to use? The minimum was 8 and this is 13. So 397 into 0.30. No, sorry, it is 0.03. It is 3% and not 30%. So yes, 3% is 11.9. This is the maximum and the minimum was 7.94. So in between whatever you use, it's good. But over here we can see that we are using 13. But 1 or 2 plus minus is okay unless and until you get some error over here in SEO analysis. If you get some error that you are over optimizing your keywords, don't over optimize, then only you can change it. So now over here we are using 30. So that 30 also includes the title. So basically we are using 11. So over here we can, so let us see in the content 1 2 3, then 4 5 6, 6 we are using in the content. So okay, so I think we need to add more, in fact. So what I can do is I can copy this over here and add it over here, SEO audit, and then I can say website speed optimization, then SEO audit, and on-page SEO analysis, then SEO audit and content analysis, and then again SEO audit. and this. Okay, so this is done. So now let us see. Over here also I will put a colon. So this is done, and now let us see how many do we have in the content again. So we have 17. So let us see how many. The minimum was 8 and maximum was how many? Something around 11.91. Okay. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 and 11. So it is, say 1 is less. So in that case, let us see where we can add 1. Mm, okay. So check for the probability indexing. Okay. Then Google Search Console screening for. I can add something like to work on SEO audit, check the check for probability. Okay, so now this is done. So now it is perfect. So now let's see. So now it is 18. So over here in the content we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We have 11. So we still need to add 1. So for that we need to read the text and see where we can add it. So review local business. So I mean one or two here and there it's okay, but if we have the minimum and the maximum, then it's okay. Then we can do it. But if we cannot add it, then it's okay. Additionally, consider using combination of SEO tools and SEO analytics over here and over here. Yeah, consider using combination of SEO tools and analytics platforms to gather data and insights for comprehensive SEO audit. So yes, our problem is resolved. So we just have to add SEO over here. So now it is perfect. So now it is say 12 of them. So this is done. So now my this blog is perfect in all the sense, but now you can see we try to add the keywords and now there is some error again in SEO. So we can see what is the error. So it says that key phrase density. The key phrase density was found 11 times. That's more than the recommended maximum of 9 times. See, I told you it will give an error. If it is more, so we have over optimized it. So we need to remove 2 times. So where can I remove it 2 times? So last one I where we added. So I'll remove this. So now it is okay. And one more place. So I will remove this also. So 2 times we have removed. So now let's see over here. Okay, so was found 10 times. Okay, so it was found 10 times and okay, so one more time I need to remove it. Mm, let's see where we can remove it. Okay, so instead of SEO audit, I removed SEO and just kept it audit. So that is okay. So now it is again good. Everything is green. So now you can see over here, no issue found. So now over here, there is one thing, key phrase in subheadings. More than 75% of your H2 and H3 subheadings are reflected the topic of your copy. That's too much. So it means that we need to remove this. So I mean, again, we have to back to square one. So what we need to do is, it says that your headings are using more of your focus key phrase. So then I can remove this local audit analysis. Then over here also I can remove this SEO audit over here. So we will add back over here where SEO audit, and over here also SEO audit. And now let's go back and check. So now things are fine, everything perfect, no issues. So you need to keep on checking it. So everything is fine. So now we are 100% okay. So it is good for the search engines also, and it is good for the readers also. So why do we use this? See, because if a person is finding our content easy to read, and then people will come to our website again and again. They will subscribe to our website. So they can come and read all good blogs over here. So that is the reason we have done this. So that part is for the readability, and searching SEO that we have done is for the search engine, so that our website will be search engine friendly, so that when people will search for our word, it will come up. So usually this takes time, but this again depends on how much good research we have done. So till now we haven't done any research. So research we will be doing in the next session, where we will be learning about the tools. See, right now we have directly selected a keyword that okay, I'll use SEO audit as my focus key phrase. But before searching focus key phrase, I need to know that whether that is the right focus key phrase or not. Even though SEO audit might be the main focus key phrase because around which the topic is revolving, so I can use it, but it is not necessary that I should use it. I can use some other keywords also, which is good, and it has good quantity of keywords used uniformly in the content, and it has more value. So in the next session we will search for the right keyword, we will use the tool, and again we will do the SEO analysis over here. We will again do SEO over here by searching with the tools. So the next session will be a little advanced topic. Over there also we will do the same SEO what we did today, but we will do it with the tool to find which keyword is the right keyword, whether the keywords that I am selecting is the right keyword or not, whether people are searching for those keyword or not, and then if people are searching, then does it have enough volume, search volume for that particular keyword in a particular month or not, or in a particular year or not, and from particular target location or not. So that all things we will be seeing with respect to the tools that we are going to use. We are going to use Google Keyword Planner. So that is a special tool used for doing the keyword research and analysis. So that is what we are going to see in the next session. So that's it for today. So if you have any questions, you can let me know. So now you can start practicing SEO. Yeah, you have to do it. So I mean that was the reason. See, now we have learned how to do SEO, right? Yeah, I mean, you can use, see, I am using Yoast SEO. You can use any other plugin also. Rank Math SEO is also good. So if you are talking about plugins, then you can use any plugin, but whichever are famous and used widely in the market today, and which is complying with the algorithm of the Googles, then you can use that. So Yoast SEO is one very popular plugin that we are using, and rank math SEO is also very good, which is now people are using more of rank math than Yoast SEO. So yes, you have to start working on SEO. So first you start adding content. Why did I told you last time that you need to have 15-20 articles minimum? This is the reason. See, now you have learned SEO, so now you require practice. So for practice, you require blogs. So now first, if you haven't written blogs, so the first thing that you need to do is write blogs on your website, and then you can do SEO on those blogs. So that was the reason I said that you add 15-20 blogs or even more than that in the website. So yes, that's it over here. Any other questions? All right, then see you in the next session. Till then, goodbye. See you.